Hey guys, we just got this 2015 Forester in. It is a touring package. It's got eyesight. It's got xenon headlights. The fender's good on this side, pretty clean. It's got the eyesight. Windshield's broken. You see the little cameras. Grill's good. You got fog lights. It's got leather inside. Engine's running real good. Battery's actually even good. It's got the HID right here in the headlights. If anybody wants to see some of the stuff inside the engine, it's running. Tires are good, so all four tires are good. It's a cheap brand, but they're good. This whole side's pretty much screwed. It's good suspension on the car. Tailgate's good. It's actually a power tailgate. It will power up. Look at that. Look at that, it's working. Clean tailgate. It's got all the mats inside. Taillight's good on this side. The quarter panel's actually good on this side. Two doors are done. Mirrors have the little blinkers on them. And look at that. Interior. It's got navigation. The knee airbags. Mileage on the car. It's got, 69,000. Pretty nice car. It's got seat warmers in it. The back seats are leather. It's got a sunroof in it. Anybody needs a sunroof glass, give us a call. It's a pretty nice car actually. Too bad it got in a wreck, but first come first serve on all these parts. We'll get some more in, but this is the latest and greatest we got in today.